Hi Revivers, I'm Dr. Lin here. We've got a great episode. A lot of you are at home. We're working during this COVID time and trying to find things that are comfortable. Now some of you, like my wife, have loved working in bed in front of the TV, and it just drives me nuts. I want to pull out my hair because a lot of it's just bad for your posture. There's few things that can happen. You can end up with herniated discs. You end up with some numbness and tingling down your legs. Those are no-go because then otherwise you have to get out of your bed. And then you have to come see me, and then we have to do the right things to get you better. But there's a safer way, so stay tuned and we're going to talk about that. Hi Revivers, welcome to my humble abode. Well, this is our bedroom, and I'm just letting loose. I'm back in my pajamas, so just like all of you may be doing at home. So let's see what I do to at least keep us safer. I don't highly recommend this, but this is at least something. So check this out. Most of us are home. We get home from work. We're slipping our pajamas. We're sitting there and we're watching TV. And we're just like turning it on and then just having a good time. Or sometimes we're sitting and we're eating. And is this the most ideal for your gut? Probably not, but I'm going to do it because most of us do it anyways. Having a sandwich. Got my little sandwich here going. You know. Oh, it's great food. Hey, Shannon.
What?
You gotta catch this. Catch this clip. It's pretty funny.
Oh.
Hey, what's going on with the elections? What's happening to most of us we're getting slumped, and that puts a lot of pressure on our spine. So we want to avoid that. So here's a few ways. Ideally, you have about 4 pillows. If you don't have 4 pillows, well, there's different ways to modify yourself. But ideally, it's 4 pillows. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So obviously, you guys know I'm a big fan of down feather pillows. So this is where we're going to head with it. So you got the pillow. You got one in the back. You can turn it this way. Now, these kind of props your neck a little bit. You can use towels as well. Bow towels are always great. But you want to stack your pillow up like this, right? One for your knees, one for your hips, and then you're going to basically prop that right here. And that's good. Now you're living great. If you just want to watch TV, you just hug a pillow, tug that tight, and then if you got a little something here, you can also protect that. But for now, I just got this. I'm leaning, catching my shows. Now, a lot of you like to work in bed. So that's not good. But like I said, if you're going to do it one way, do it my way. So you're like this, and your head's like this, and you're like this. You know, like, that's not ideal. So we got some great props that I like to use at home, made by Myford, and we've got a great video for present ideas for those of you, especially now during the COVID times, just staring at the TV and working. So the cool thing is there's a lap stand, basically a laptop stand, and it's got like 6 different ways to do it. But this is the 25-degree angle one. I can just slide that through, create the most ideal situation because my eye angle is headed this way and my head is neutral. It's not this and it's not this. That's the worst thing you can do. You don't want to be slumped and like you're I don't know, like you're a jockey or something like that. And the worst thing you're doing is playing video games like this too. So at least situate yourself. Still, great idea to have a pillow. So right here, I got this. Now it's perfect. I can sit behind here, watch my shows. That was a great play. Honey, check that out. And then I got my nightstand here. So thanks for making the journey to my humble abode. And hopefully you have safe travel while you're away. If you're going to work, like I said, do these different things. We'll link below the Myford stand. And if anything else, you need about 4 pillows, okay? And you're setting yourself up much like the way we sleep. So we'll also link that up down below. I hope you enjoyed a little sneak peek into my private life.
and enjoyed these tidbits of what needs to go on at home, especially if you want to keep your body healthy and safe. I love having all those pillows around. You gotta have nice comfy towels to adjust yourself. And then some of these cool products like the Moft, we're gonna use that as well to just save our bodies. So, these are things to implement if you wanna work at home. I know some of you also gonna be traveling on the road during the holidays, and you're also gonna be working in the hotel room. The same strategy applies. So definitely use these little tidbits and save your back, save your nerves, and stay away from me, of course. So if you like what we're doing, please subscribe. We're trying to always increase our viewership, and of course share the wealth of knowledge that I want to offer to the world. If you like what we're doing, also leave one of these. If you don't like what we're doing, I know I'm probably going to get one of these. We get some interesting comments all the time. But if you're going to leave a comment that's negative, please leave a productive one that we can solve or help create, so we can help create better solutions to make our videos better so that you can all enjoy in the safety of your own home. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.